Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain you how to create a database and a table in MS SQL Server. Okay, let's create a database. For an example, school. Create database school. Okay, let's execute this command. Let's check the database. See here, school database has been created. Let's create a table class, just a basic table. Create table class id integer, class name varchar 100. Okay, this is the table name and these are columns which will be created in this table. Okay, now we are going to create this table class in a school database. So you need to select the database first of all in which you want to create a school database. Okay, let's check the table in the database. Tables, class, and this table has been created with columns class id and class name. Okay, currently this table is blank, there is no data. Let's insert data in this table. Insert into table name, class id, column, class name. Okay, values 1 and class first, 2, here. You can insert more rows in this table and you can also add additional column in this table. Thank you for watching this video.